How to replace the bottom shielding.
Before you begin, remove the base cover and I/O frame. Removal. Important: make careful note of the position of the bottom shielding mylar for later replacement. Remove the mylar that secures the bottom shielding to the middle frame. Remove the 4mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the bottom shielding to the middle frame. Lift the bottom shielding straight up until it is free from the middle frame and turn it over so you have access to the DC-in cable connector on the system board. Disconnect the DC-in cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the bottom shielding. Replacement. Important: if you are replacing the bottom shielding, the DC-in connector will need to be removed from the old bottom shielding and attached to the new bottom shielding. Connect the DC-in cable into the connector on the system board. Align the edges of the bottom shielding with the sides of the middle frame and lower it into position. Replace the 4mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the bottom shielding to the middle frame. Replace the mylar that secures the bottom shielding to the middle frame.